Hi guys, so I want to talk to you quickly about some tips and tricks with bill pay. So there's three things that I think are really unique that you can implement in your own bill pay strategy. So the first one is to negotiate your due date with your merchants. And what I mean by that is have all your bills come out around the same time of each month. So if one major, for instance, for me, I have all my bills coming out either the 28th, the 29th, or the 30th. So you can actually set it up and call all your merchants and have them negotiate the due date to have them be around the same day, if not the same day. So the second one is to pay your bills as soon as the billing cycle closes. So what that means is instead of waiting till the due date, which is the later date, to pay all your bills at the last minute, pay them as early as you can, which would be right when the billing cycle closes. So for instance, if you have an electric bill that the first day of the usage, or a cell phone bill, and you're getting billed for from March 1st to March 31st, you want to pay that bill, and let's say it's due on April 18th. You don't want to pay it really close to April 18th. You want to pay it as close to right when the billing cycle closes, which would be March 31st. So you could pay it on the 1st or the 2nd. You want to pay it as close to when it closes instead of the due date, because so one, it will help your credit score, and two, it will prevent any problems from if you, for whatever reason, the bill didn't get paid. And hopefully you'll catch it in time if that happens, if you pay it a little earlier. So the third thing is you want to set it and forget it. You don't want to have to think about when your bills are coming out and managing, if you can't move around your due dates, managing due dates and all that kind of stuff. You want to set it and forget it. So you want to call all your merchants and somehow set up on autopay. So I don't have all my bills going through autopay on my bank account, because some of them give me a paperless discount where I have to set it up on their end. But they will negotiate the due date so that they all come out around the same time. I just have to remember which ones are set up which way, so that if anything ever changes, I can go ahead and make the right changes and I won't be late on anything. So I have a little spreadsheet where it shows me which bills come out of the bank account, which ones get debited from my debit card because they don't accept a bank account number, and which ones are set up directly from my bank account. Alright, I hope this video helps you. Have a good day.